One more, one more. Hello there, guys. It's another day, another little project here. We're back here at Campos Muffler and Brakes, getting that BIGBOZ exhaust tip installed. So stay tuned. I'm gonna have some cool videos of it being installed. So if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and like and share the videos. I really appreciate it and will help the channel a lot. Okay, so stay tuned. We're gonna have this video installation of this BIGBOZ exhaust tips. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get those BIGBOZ exhaust tips installed here again at Campos. Of course, as soon as I start vlogging, the truck goes by. So you can see that's a 4.5-inch tip. Man, that thing is massive. It's gonna get even more massive later. Alright, stay tuned. This is their contact number of the place. They do a good job. You've seen them in many of my YouTube channels. The other one's gonna look a bit bigger. It's a bit nicer. Right there. Yeah, that should be good. Get a little logo to come out. It's nice and massive. Looks pretty. get yourself one. Way less expensive than carbons. Wow. One more, one more. Yeah. Awesome. Perfect. Yeah. That's how you do it. Thank you, man. One more, one more, one more. One more. Awesome. All right, guys. As you saw there, it was easy breezy, maybe a 30-minute work for those guys. It was incredible how it looks. It looks massive. It makes the exhaust back end with the BIGBOZ 5-inch exhaust tip really stand out. And I'll show a couple of pictures here, a little picture montage for you guys to see different angles of how it looks installed right now. So yeah, it was impeccable work as always by Campos Muffler and Brakes, and it's $60, man. Who can beat that? They great customer service, awesome work, and they always, you know, consider what you want done. They will always ask you how you want it, and I told them exactly how I wanted it, and that's how they built it. They're quite meticulous too in their work, so I highly recommend that place. Link of the place in the description below, and I'll put their phone number down here too, up here. So yeah, I mean, BIGBOZ exhaust, man. It's less expensive than carbons. In my opinion, a lot prettier than carbons, because the barrel of the 5-inch inlet is actually deeper, which shows you a better when you're looking at from behind, at eye level from behind, it looks deeper and beefier. I don't know how to explain it. You'll just see in the videos or in the pictures that I'm going to post in this video. I'll put a picture on the side over here, right here, so you can see what I'm talking about. But I mean, it's impressive stainless steel work, slant cut, double wall, and I like it a lot. I highly recommend it. If BIGBOZ Exhaust sees this video, good job, man. This video is not sponsored by them, so if they'd like to sponsor the video, that'd be great. But anyways, I just like this product, and I always speak highly of them if they are you know, lives up to my expectation. So I think I got this with the delivery for $190. I mean, a carbon is $230 without shipping. So you'll be able to save at least $40-50 using BIGBOZ exhaust, and it's as pretty or even prettier. Just my opinion. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. I enjoyed watching those guys work. I don't have the welding skills, they do. That's why I go there all the time. So alright guys, if you like this video, please share it, like, and subscribe, because it will help the channel a lot. I really appreciate it, all your support. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.